Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Pixels token. Before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Pixels is a free-to-play social farming and exploration game built on blockchain technology that blends the energy gameplay of popular Web 2 titles with the digital ownership. It is a Web3 game and open world farming sim on the Ronin network, where activities like farming, crafting, and questioning are powered by the Pixel token. Built for sustainability, it focuses on attracting players who spend for environments, aiming to move beyond speculative play to earn models towards a balanced in game economy. Multi utility token. The Pixel token is used for minting NFTs, purchasing VIP passes. Joining gates will eventually enable community governance over a treasury. Pixels token total supply is 5 billion and circulating supply is around 3.27 billion Pixel token. Pixel token is listed on Binance, OKX, Crypto.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.